So good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today is MOT day. A lot of activity in the village this morning. There's a hunt going on over at the moors. I'm not a big lover of the hunt, to be honest with you, but it's nice to see the horses and people dressed in their posh attire, but each their own. So this is the first time I've been on my bike since I've done all the servicing myself, and it's the first time I've been for a ride for quite some time. So it's going to be brake myself in gently, nice and steady. Bit of a shakedown, make sure everything's all okay. Fingers crossed it'll pass the MOT, can't see why not. And then we're good to go for the season ahead. So basically, just to run through what I've done on the bike over the winter. So I fitted a Scott oiler, I fitted my Denali projector light along with the Oxford Products junction box. I've had 2 new tyres fitted, the CST Ride Migra. I think what we'll do a separate video on those. Obviously we need to scrub them in, bed them in, see how they perform. I mean, first impressions right now, I can't tell any difference, but you know, I'm only just riding on a dual carriageway, so we need to give them the benefit of the doubt at the moment. But at 60 miles an hour I'm not getting any vibration. They feel very, very smooth, so yeah, early signs pretty good. So what else have I added? The extender plate for my side stand. And then basically we've done air filter, oil and filter and coolant change. Cleaned all the sprockets, the cuss drives, overhauled the complete drivetrain, re-greased all the spindles, re-greased all the bearing seals. So yeah, all good to go. So the NC is purring like a pussycat at the moment. I don't know what the weather's been like in the rest of the country, but boy, we've had some rain down here. I think we had something like 56 days consecutive rain. And like I say, even if I wanted to get out on my bike, it was I mean, I don't mind riding in the rain, but I'm not going to choose to do it. You know, if I go on a trip or something like that and it rains, so there, you know, I don't have an issue with it. But if I just want to go out for a nice ride and it's chucking it down, I'm not going to bother. So we had a recent visit to Oxford Products. So it's the first time we've been there in probably 3 years. For one reason or another, we've just not had the time to get up there, but it's always good to go and have a visit, see what's new, see what new products are in the offing. Yeah, lots of new products coming from Oxford. So yeah, we'll as and when they arrive, we'll do little videos showcasing those, and if it's something that I feel I should use myself, I will do. So with my MOT today, I'm heading to, it's just a small little garage in Okehampton. They're called 710 Moto. Never used them before, don't know anything about them other than I've just read some reviews online. I thought, let's support the smaller bike shop, and see how things fare. Like I say, it's an MOT, so I can't see why anything would be an issue. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this clip-on windshield. I'm getting no turbulence on my lid at all now, none whatsoever. I mean, it was only a tiny bit that I was getting before, but that's just totally alleviated that problem. Right, I think what we'll do is we'll go up the old A30, so I've got plenty of time. Got to get some fuel on the way as well. Taking a few of the twistier roads. God, state of these potholes. Oh, I can smell the food hall as I've just gone past Lifton Farm Shop. Yeah, since I've bled these brakes, they've got so much more bite now. Like I say, there was quite a lot of air in the front caliper. The rear was fine, but yeah, they're nowhere near as spongy as they were. So I'm quite pleased with my handiwork there. Always a bit of a pinch point here. So I've booked all my accommodation for my trip to Scotland in May. Really looking forward to that. So I'm taking myself out of my comfort zone a little bit. It's the furthest I've ever been on two wheels. So, I've done trips to the Midlands, South East, obviously all around Devon and Cornwall, trips to Wales. I think the furthest north I've been on my bike was Matlock area. So yeah, a proper real test for me and the bike. Oh my days, look at the price of the fuel. £1.89 for diesel, £1.68 unleaded. That can't be right, surely. We do get royally ripped off down in the southwest on fuel. When we was up in Oxford, it was a good, even before the war broke out in Iran, it was a good 6 to 8p cheaper in Oxford. And like I say, they're all riding around in their Range Rovers and with cheaper fuel. We went past Clarkson's pub, so busy. And when we was at Oxford and we were talking to the locals, they love it and they don't love it at the same time, because it's he's taking trade away from other pubs, and I know he's supports local businesses and all that sort of stuff, but as we went past, you thought there was a festival on, the Overspill car park. It was chock-a-block, it really was. And that was a Tuesday afternoon in early March. So come summer, I dread to think what it's going to be like. But yeah, a bit of a conundrum, that one. You know, I have nothing against Clarkson. You know, I think he's quite entertaining, really. But you know, he's obviously taking trade away from a lot of other pubs. But I suppose it's all fair at the end of the day. Oh, it's great to be back out on this bike. I absolutely love it, I really do. I know it doesn't perform anything like my Street Triple, but it doesn't matter. It just inspires confidence, it's comfy, puts a smile on your face. You couldn't wish for better. Come along. Right, so here we are, 710 Moto. Like I say, just a little backstreet garage. There we go. Okay, that's the MOT done at 710 Moto Okehampton. Absolutely fabulous people. So, you know, if you're in the area, well worth a look. You know, they do full servicing, tyre change, you name it, absolutely everything in there. Really, really nice people. Like I say, it's a husband and wife team, so it's, you know, it's nice to support smaller local business. So that's that. So we've just had a bit of a hailstorm, so roads are a bit damp, so take it steady on my new tyres until they're fully scrubbed in. Right, so just about to pick up the A30, so what I'll do is I'll catch up with you when I'm back home. I'll speak to you in a while. Right, there we go. Return from Okehampton 710 Moto for my MOT. Really pleased with the service from the guys there. Great people. So yeah, highly recommend if you want servicing or MOTing done there. Yeah, good value for money. Now, I was asked a couple of times now, people wanted to know how bright my DRLs are in the daytime. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what they're like. So the projector light is on dip at the moment, and the DRLs on the handguards, they're basically just one setting, so that's what you get. So yeah, the bike is very visible now. So yeah, hopefully you can see that projector light okay. Like I say, when I've done it at night, very bright. So that's that. Right, I think what I need to do now is get the hose pipe out, because went through a few hailstorms and bits and pieces, and it's absolutely chucked it down, and bits of salt and road grime on it. So let's get that off. So yeah, there we are. MOT passed with flying colours. I thought it would. So next trip is I'm going to do perhaps a trip along the Dorset coast or something like that, just to get my muscle memory, my riding brain all calibrated as it was, before I embark on my Scotland trip in, I think, probably about 8 weeks time. So yeah, there we go. So as always, I do hope you found this little video of interest and of use, and I do hope you can join me again in future videos. Thanks again for watching. Cheerio.